Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. I'm going to do a quick Robinhood portfolio update. Right now, the portfolio is at $21,598. 1 week ago, though, we were at highs of 32,185, guys. And even worse than that, in a month ago, we were just under 40K. I think we even touched 38,500. So we are down significantly to where we were just like about 2 weeks ago, honestly. And right now, with the little bounce that we had, we have a long way to go for us to get back to where we were before. And even though we had a little bounce on Friday, I don't think we that might have been the bottom. We might actually see even lower lows than what we've seen since the last big red day. And mostly, I believe AMD will get back to all time highs pretty quickly whenever the market does decide to turn green. I mean, it's barely at not even 210 right now, so it needs another $60 to go before we can even get back to all time highs. But the main thing that will is killing the portfolio is our long term leaps. Let's say maybe there's another month or two of red. These leaps still have a while until expiration. They expire September, so I'm just gonna hold on to them. Most likely, we'll keep them until 2 to 3 months before expiration because that's when data decay really starts. So I'll just hold on to them until then. I'm pretty confident that they will at least be worth more than they are now before then. So I'm just gonna be holding on to this. Most likely, I will be building out these positions as time goes on, especially the market turns red. I have I just bought little shares when the market was down because I basically have no cash. All I had just margin. I was just buying Shopify, Meta, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft Hood, CRM, and Adobe. I wanted to buy more things. I actually wanted to buy some Palantir. Palantir went to like 130 or even into the 120s, but I just don't have any cash. I need more cash to come in. Even Palantir's still in the 130s right now. We were seeing it in the 120s. Let's actually see how low it went. Yeah, 125 exactly. 125 Palantir at 125 is pretty good, man. Pretty good. I still think Palantir could still go all the way up to 200, but it will be trading in between that range. I wanted to get Celsius as well. I believe Tesla still could go way down if the market really decides to start dropping. We could see Tesla. I think there's a possibility we could probably even see Tesla hitting $200 if the market really goes down. If the Nasdaq S&P actually start going down, I don't even think it went down more than 5 or 6%. So if we actually see like a 20% downturn, I could realistically see Tesla dropping into the 200 range. Nvidia also bounced back really hard. It went all the way to the 170 range. Can we see it go lower than that? I'm not sure. Especially with all the big tech, Meta, Google, Amazon, all reporting saying they're gonna increase their capex to 130 to 150, 150, 200 billion. All that money's gonna be going to these kind of companies. So this company specifically, Nvidia, the biggest of the big dogs. Like I don't. It's gonna be hard to bring this baby down. Hard. When everyone's spending money like they are, increasing their capex, and Nvidia's gonna be taking all that money, all the money. You know. Another one that I really want to spend some money on is SoFi. I saw SoFi, I think, under $19. I think that's a pretty good deal right there. I do believe SoFi will get back up to all-time highs. I believe SoFi was in the 30 range, $32. So if we were to buy right now and SoFi ever gets back to all-time high, that's a 50% gain right there. So more than I wanted to buy Elf and EL, just a little bit more. These are cosmetic brands, cosmetic companies. I actually need to start diversifying my portfolio. I just have big tech, dude, so I need to diversify a lot. A lot. So what I plan on doing is what I did for this little correction thing for the basically AI stocks or anything related to AI is just buy a little bit here and there whenever I see red. That's the way I'm gonna start buying. Because before I would just buy big lump sums at one time, trying to time stuff, but it's very hard and very stressful to do that. But buying like $100 here, $50 there, $200 there. I think is way better. Best way to do it slowly over time. It's just less stressful, honestly. But yeah, that's the quick update for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you later.